To fix the too far to deliver issue on Uber Eats, follow these steps. First, check your location settings to ensure they are accurate. Sometimes, incorrect location settings can cause the app to think you are too far from the restaurant. Next, restart the Uber Eats app to refresh your location and the available restaurants. This can resolve any temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. If the problem persists, try checking the restaurant's delivery area. Each restaurant on Uber Eats has a designated delivery area, and if you are outside of this area, you will not be able to place an order. You can check the delivery area by searching for the restaurant on the app and looking for the estimated delivery time and distance. If you are still having trouble, try contacting Uber Eats customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve the issue and provide more information about the restaurant's delivery area. Additionally, consider using the in-app filters to find restaurants that deliver to your area. You can filter by distance, estimated delivery time, and more to find restaurants that can deliver to your location. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the too far to deliver issue on Uber Eats and successfully place your order.